I'm Candace Buckley, and I'm the Food Safety Manager here at United Produce. United Produce is a family-run business. We have my mom, my dad, my brother, my husband, all here. It's a really tight-knit business. We've been running the business for roughly 25 years, and I couldn't imagine it any other way. Like, this is just our family. So I graduated college, and I never expected to be the food safety manager at my family-run business. But honestly, I couldn't picture doing anything else. I love working with my family. I love being in a small community, and that's what United is. It's a small community. We started using Highland Hub in December of 2022 for our food safety compliance and our audits. We have had a premise audit, and those have been made very, very smoothly because of Highland Hub. Highland Hub helps me to make sure I have everything done. If it was in a paper binder, I could possibly miss something, but it's all there in one spot. Some of my favorite features are the calendar feature and the daily logs, because it keeps me from having to miss anything. It sends me notifications. It reminds me of anything that I have coming up due. I find Highland Hub very user-friendly. It's super easy to learn. I had a food safety consultant help me to begin, and then I just picked up and took off with it. It was super easy. The Highland Hub did all the onboarding for us. We made copies of our papers, sent them over. They put everything into the Highland Hub, made it so easy. If I didn't have them to do that, I probably would have been lost. But it's just the team itself with Highland Hub. Taking it from paper to digital format was the easiest thing possible. The Hub makes it so easy and so much quicker to do just everything from audits to our daily logs to everything, as far as making sure that our chemicals are stocked and ready to go. And I couldn't imagine going back to paper, anything, after using Highland Hub. Our food safety committee members all have access to the Highland Hub. They have their own login. They can log in and do certain tasks. Then they send them to me for approval. And any of the other employees that do not have access to Highland Hub, I print out like the checklist itself, and I supply that with them, and it makes their job so much easier on making sure everything is cleaned. I would absolutely recommend Highland Hub. As the food safety manager, I could not imagine coming into this job and doing this any other way now that I've experienced Highland Hub.